Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download and install MySQL Workbench and MySQL Server on Windows. Open a browser, type MySQL, and hit enter. Open the first link that appears. Go to the Downloads option. Then scroll down and click on MySQL Community Downloads. After that, click on MySQL Installer for Windows. Now scroll down and click on the second link, which is the Community Edition and is of a larger size, approximately 350 megabytes. Click on No Thanks, just start my download, and the download will start. After downloading, open the installer. It may take some time to open. Choose Full as the setup type and click Next. Then click Execute, and it will start downloading all the products. After all products are downloaded, click Execute to install all the products. This process will take a couple of minutes. After the installation is complete, click Next, then click Next again. Now match all the checkboxes and port number with mine, and then click Next. Again, click Next. Now choose a password as you want and click Next. Then again click Next, and again click Next. Click Execute here. After the execution is complete, click Finish. Click Next, then click Finish, and then click Next. Now enter the password that we created a few steps ago and click Check. You will see a connection succeeded status. Now click Next and click Execute. After execution is complete, click Finish. In the product configuration, click Next. Now uncheck the MySQL Shell option and click Finish. Now wait for a few seconds. A window will open. This is MySQL Workbench. Click on the plus symbol button under MySQL Connections to set up a new connection. Give the connection any name you want. Go to the password option, click on Store in Vault, enter your password, and click OK. Now click on Test Connection. A pop-up window will appear showing that the MySQL connection was successfully made. Click OK, and then click OK again. Now open the connection you created. Here, you can start writing your SQL commands. That's it. If this video is useful for you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.